All right, I'm going to do a quick video just to help folks confirm if they've downloaded the library that comes with Revit of all the kind of components of doors and windows and things. A lot of us downloaded it and Sage Security kind of blocked it. So if you were in class, we called in IT to help, and we're just kind of confirming with a couple of students if you want to make sure you did it correctly. So the easiest way to check this is with doors. I already have a couple doors preloaded, so you're going to see more on my computer than might be on yours. So I'm here over on the architecture tab, and I go to door. Now, normally when you first start up Revit, all you're going to see is this single flush door. And you can use this 36-inch wide one as like some of your interior doors, that's fine. But obviously, as we get to fancier doors and exterior doors, we want some more options. All of these are ones I've already loaded because my library is working. So if you want to be able to load one, so right now it's kind of trying to put in this last one I used. Revit's going to do that a lot. It's going to default to the last thing you did. In my case, I want to find a new door. So I'm going to go over here to load family. And then immediately what pops up is a directory, basically a file directory, and it's helpfully going immediately to the Revit library. Again, later on in the weeks to come, I'm going to show you how you're going to download more things and custom things, and you might have to navigate to a different part of your computer to find those files. But the nice thing is Revit will kind of automatically default to its own library. If you ever need to find it, it's here under C Windows, Program Data, Autodesk, Revit 2022, Libraries. That's where when you download it, this is where it puts it. And English Imperial, because we're working in inches and feet. If it's not already in alphabetical order, just click on the name. Now it's reverse alphabetical order. So if I click it again, I'm now A to Z. Here's doors here. In my case, I'm going to look at commercial doors, and I'm going to find one that I don't think I've loaded yet. So I'm just going to start at this top one. So if you left click just once, it'll show you the picture of the door. So let me see if there's ones that I don't think I've entered this one. So we'll do this one. It's just as kind of practice. I'm going to click on it, say open. Now it's often going to come up with a choice of widths and heights too. What I want is a standard door that's 3 feet by 7 feet tall. So I'm going to say okay to that. And you should see over in the left, see how the picture changed there. So now it's already set to put that door in for me. And I'll just put it here, say in this office for now, and click OK. Now, if I go over to my 3D model, it's hard to see in the angle I'm at here. Let me kind of pivot it a little bit, but you can see that door with the 2 windows. So I'll go back to level 1. And so what's going to happen is now whenever I go back to the door tab, that door is defaulting to the next one to put in. But if I want to mix it up, I can pick from the list of things I've already loaded, or I can go and load a new one. So again, I can go over to load family. This time, maybe I want to see what's in residential doors. So I'll go over here. Maybe we'll just pick a pocket one for now, just so you can see what that looks like. So I'll say open. And again, you've got to pick the width and the height. I'm going to say 5 feet wide by 7 feet tall. I'll say okay. I'll pretend I'm putting it in here. Now, actually, that doesn't look like the pocket door, does it? No. So let's see what happens. So we delete that guy out. It might have defaulted to that last one, but I bet you if I go down, there is the pocket door here. Wait, no, there was a double one. There it is right there. So there's 2 of them in here. So sometimes Revit's going to keep defaulting to the last one you were using, but it did load it over here in my kind of option of choices. So there's that pocket door there. So what happened there is, so I loaded it. I didn't actually see it on my mouse, but if I went over here to door and on this drop down menu, now I've still got it. It did load it for me in this menu of doors that I can now use as like my library for this project. All right. If you did not see when you clicked on load family, you did not get this option of English Imperial, and it's kind of blank. And there's, in our case, I think there's maybe 2 folders that were there for a lot of us. Put in a ticket with IT. Chris or Claude has helped with this before. They'll know kind of how to walk you through it. Try to make sure to have this done before we meet for class again, just so you're able to, you know, pull in some of the stuff that we're going to start putting in, like doors and windows and things like that. And we'll do a little furniture, but as we get into furniture, you're going to see we're going to go to online manufacturers and pull those in a different way. All right, hope this helped, and see you in class.